NCRT 6 Last 5 Chapter 5 Kingdoms, Kings and Early Republic. Election Day. Sankran woke up to see his grandparents all ready to vote. They wanted to be first, reach the polling. Both why Sankran wanted to know. But they so excited, somewhat impatient. His grandfather explained, we can choose our own rulers today. How some men become rulers, choosing leader or rulers by voting sometimes that has become common during the last 50 years ago. So how did man become ruler in the past around 3000 years ago? Some man becomes recognized as rajas by performing big sacrifice. Thus may a horse sacrifice one of the such rituals. Horse was let loose to wander freely and it was gutted by the rajas men. If the horse wandered into the kingdom of the other Rajas and they stopped it. They had to fight if they allowed the horse to pass. It meant that they accepted that the Rajas who wanted to perform the sacrifices was stronger than they. These Rajas were then invited to the sacrifices which was performed by specially trained priests who were rewarded with gifts. The Rajas who organized the sacrifice was recognized as being very powerful, and all these who came bought gift for him. The Rajas was a central figure in these rituals. He often had a special seat, a throne in a tiger. His Chetal, who was his companion in the battlefield and witnessed his exploit, jetted tales of his glory. His relatives, especially his wives and sons, had to perform a variety of minerals rituals. The others Rajas were simply specters who had a shit and a watchers to performance of the sacrifice. Priests performed the rituals including the sprinkling of sacred water on the king. The ordinary peoples, the feast of Vishwa was also brought gift. However, some people, such as those who were regarded as Sudra by this priest, were executed from many rituals. Make list of all these who would be represented sacrifice, which are the categories that are described the terms of their occupations. There were four social categories, namely Brahma, Kshatri, Vyas, and Sudra. Brahma were expected to study and teachers a ways, perform sacrifices, and receive gift. Kshatri were expected to fight battle and protect the peoples. Vishya were expected to the farms and herders and traders. The Shudra were expected to serve others three groups. Janpad. The Rajas performed these big sacrifices were now recognized as being Rajas and Janpad rather than the Janas. The word Janpad literally means the land where the Jana set its foot and settled down. Some important Janpad are shown. Archaeologists have exhausted a number of settlements in these Janpad, such as Purna Kila in Delhi, Hastinapur near Meerut, and Adrangira near the Ita. Last 2 years, Uttar Pradesh, they found that peoples lived in the huts and kept cattle as well as others animals. They also grow a variety of crops, rice, wheat, barley, a variety of crop, rice, wheat, barley, pulse, sugar canes, seek and mustard. Is there a crop in this list that was not mentioned in chapter 3? They have made earthen pots. Some of these were grey in color, others were red. One special type of pottery found in these sites is known as a painted. Grey was obvious from the name. These grey pots had painted design, usually simple lines, and Shamanic patterns. Mahajan about 25 years ago, some Janpat becomes more important than others and were known as Mahajanpat. Some of these are shown on map. Most Mahajanpat had a capital city. Many of these were fortified. This means that huge wall of wood, bricks or stone were built around them. Forts were probably built because people were afraid of attacks from other kings and needed protection. It also likely that some rulers wanted to show how rich or powerful they were by building really large, tall, and impressive walls around their cities. Also, in this way, the land and the people living inside the fortified areas could be controlled more easily by the king. Building such as a huge wall required a great deal of planning. Thousands of, if not lakhs of bricks or stones had to be prepared. This is done meant enormous labor and provided possibly by thousands of men and women and children. Our resources had to be found for all of this. The new Rajas now begins maintaining army. Soldiers were paid regular salaries and maintained by the king throughout the year. Some payment were probably made using punch marked coins. See the illustration on page. You will read more about these coins in chapter 8. List 2 the ways in which the Rajas of three Mahajanpad were different from those mentioned in the Rig Veda. Taxes. As the ruler of the Mahajanpad were buildings used for maintaining big armies, they needed more resources and they needed officials collect these. So instead of depending on occasions gift brought by people as in the case on the other Rajas of Janpad, they started collecting of regular taxes, taxes on crop, taxes on craft person. Herders paid taxes on animals and animals produced, taxes on goods through the trades. Hunters and gatherers had to provide forest produce on the Rajas. What do you think would have been the provide by hunters gathered changes in the agriculture? There were two major changes in agriculture around this time. One was the growing use of iron poles. This meant by that heavy clays soils could be the turned over the better than with a wooden prongs so that the more grain could be produced. Second, people began transplanting paddy. This is the instant of scattering seed, one of the ground from which plant would sprout and sapling were grown and then planted in the field. This led to the increased production as many more plants survived. Can you think the kings would the encouraged these changes? A closer look Magad. Find Magad on map 4 maps. Magad became the most important Mahajanpad in the about 200 years. Many rivers such as the Ganga and followed throughout the Magad. This was important for transport, water supplies, making the land fertile. Part of Magad was forest elephant which lived in the forest. Could be the captured and trained for the army's forest also provide wood for the buildings, houses, carts. Beside there were iron or manganese in the regions that could be tapped to make the strong tools weapon. Magad had two very powerful rulers, Bimbisar and Ajatasattu, who used all possible means to the conquers her. The Janpad Mahajanpad Nanda was another important ruler. He extended his control up to the northwest part of the subcontinent. Rajgarh, present-day Rajgir in Bihar, was the capital of Magad for several years. Later, the capital was shifted to the Patliputra, present-day Patna. More than 23 years ago, a ruler named Alexander, who lived in Macedonia in Europe, wanted to become a world conqueror. Of course, I did not conquer the world, but did not conquer parts. Egypt and West Asians came to the Indian subcontinent, reaching up to the bank of the bases. When he wanted to the march further eastward, his soldiers refused. They were scared as they had heard that the rulers of India had vast armies, foot soldiers, carriages, and elephant. In what ways were these armies different from those described in Rigved? A closer look. While Magad became a powerful kingdom, Vazis, when its capital, Vaishali, Bihar, was under different from the government known as Gana or Sangh. In Gan or Sangh, there were not one but many rulers and each one was known as the Raj. These Raj performed rituals together. They also met assemblies and decided what had to be done and how. Throughout the discussion and debate, from example, if they were attacked by enemies, they met to the discuss what should be done to meet the threat. However, the women, Dases, and Kamkaran could not participate in these assemblies. This is an account of the verses from the Disha Niga, a famous Buddhist book, which contains some of the speeches of both these were written down about 23 years ago. Asthama and this was Asthama wanted to attack this was he sent his minister named Vanshka to be Buddha to get his advice on the matter. The Buddha asked the Vedas, the verses made the frequently in full assembly. When he heard that they did, he replied that the verses would continue to the prosper as long as they held full and frequently possible assemblies. They met and acted together. They followed established rule. They respect, support, and listen to the elders. Fazil's women were not held by forced capture, so the local signs were maintained in both towns and villages. Five saints who followed different beliefs were respected and allowed to the enter and leaves the country freely. In what ways and was Vazi sung and different from the others? Mahajanpat trial list is three are different. Rajas, a powerful kingdom, tried to the conquest the sung. Nevertheless, these lists lasted for a very long time, till about 15 years ago, when the last of the Karna and Sang were conquered by the Gupta rulers, about who you will read in chapter 9. Imagine you are peeping through the crack in the walls of the assembly of Vaisali, where a meeting in the progress discussed with tool with an attack by the king of the Magad. Describe what do you might hear.